In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a throttle body on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is going to be located on the top front of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the engine cover. Lift straight up and remove the engine cover. There will be 2 posts in the back. There's one, and there's the other. Remove the engine cover. Using an 8mm socket, loosen the 2 clamps for the intake. Using a 10mm socket, remove the nut. Remove the nut. Now reach back and push on this white tab. This is going to unlock our connector, and then we can pull it off of our intake. We're going to push the intake off on the airbox side and set it aside. Remove the connector. We're going to push this locking tab back. Push on the tab and push straight back. And remove the connector. Using an 8mm socket, remove the 4 bolts. Remove the throttle body. Using a pick, remove the gasket. Install the new gasket. Install the throttle body. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down in a cross pattern. Torque the bolts in a cross pattern to 62 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a push, make sure it's locked on, and close that locking tab. Install the intake onto the throttle body. And then over the intake box. And also be sure that it drops onto this post. We're going to have a 10mm nut. Snug it down. Snug down your 2 clamps. Install the hose. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the engine cover. Push it down into place. You'll feel it snap into the 2 in the back. We'll get our 2 bolts started. And snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.